viewers, welcome to the video lecture series for job role Hand Embroiderer Class 9. In this video, we will cover Session 2, Cleaning and Maintenance at Workplace of Unit 5 titled Safety, Maintenance and Organizational Hazards. Cleaning and maintenance at workplace is very important. It includes keeping the workplace, structures, furniture, equipment, tools, machines, and facilities in good condition. The machinery should be in proper operating efficiency with proper safety measures. This includes performing many responsibilities like repairing, replacing, servicing, and inspecting. Maintenance should be done on a department or section-wise basis for accurate and fast results. Regular maintenance staff is responsible for this maintenance work in the organization. The term maintenance could also be used in relation to the importance of keeping the staff safe, fit, and healthy, and proper working of the machines. Maintenance can be classified into two types. A. Routine maintenance. This is usually planned in advance. Regular interval maintenance procedures are very common in organizations. It includes scheduled inspections, repairs, and replacements to make sure everything continues to work properly and smoothly. It is also preventive maintenance. It can be compared to an annual service of your four-wheeler. B. Breakdown maintenance. This is the second type of maintenance. It is done as per the requirement of breakdown of any equipment or machinery. Corrective maintenance is needed when breakdowns occur, which demands responsive action to be taken to get things right and running again. It can be compared to having a repair carried out on your four-wheeler after the engine has failed. Maintenance must be planned in advance as per the details given by the maintenance in charge. An assessment of all the risks should be carried out, and the staff should be involved in the process for creating awareness. The planning must chart the details and schedule of the maintenance required for each item. A record of all the procedures, changes, and amendments made needs to be kept on a periodic basis. Now, let's have a look on use of appropriate equipment. The staff involved in the work of maintenance should have appropriate tools and equipment to repair the faults. It should also include appropriate protective equipment in case of accidents or emergency. Many times, accidents can be prevented by avoiding to make to do with an inappropriate tool or piece of equipment. Now, let's look at importance of making work areas safe. In any industry, keeping the workplace safe is of prime importance. It may even be sometimes needed to restrict access to the equipment and the area being maintained. Clear warning cards or instructions can be attached to the machinery to remind the workers of the care that needs to be taken while handling it. Now, let's look at elements of an effective cleaning program. Number 1. Dust and dirt removal. In some embroidery units, exhaust ventilation systems may not work to collect dust, dirt, and chips properly. Vacuum cleaner is the most appropriate equipment to remove dust and dirt. Industrial procedures have special methods for cleaning walls, ceilings, ledges, machinery, and other places where dust and dirt may accumulate. Dampening floors or using sweeping compounds like sawdust before sweeping reduces the airborne dust. The dust that gets collected in places like shelves, piping, conduits, light fixtures, reflectors, windows, cupboards, and lockers may require regular manual cleaning. Special purpose vacuum machines are very useful for removing the hazardous substances. For example, vacuum cleaners fitted with high efficiency particulate air filters are used to remove fine particles of fiberglass or asbestos. The facilities need to be adequate, clean, and well maintained. Lockers are essential for storing the employees' personal belongings. Washrooms need to be cleaned daily. They also need to have a good and regular supply of clean water, soap, towels, and disinfectants. If the staff is using hazardous materials, they should be provided special facilities such as showers, washing facilities, and changing rooms. The staff should be instructed to keep the clothes of their workplace separate from the clothes of home. Smoking, eating, or drinking alcohol in the work area should be prohibited, especially where toxic materials are handled. The eating area should be separate from the workplace and should be cleaned regularly and properly in each shift. Number 2, surfaces. These are A. Floors. Floors should be cleaned regularly. Poor condition of the floor is a major cause of accident. So cleaning up the oily substance and other liquids is important. Chips and dust accumulation can also cause accidents. Areas that cannot be cleaned regularly and continuously, such as the entrance and common corridors, should have anti-slip flooring. B. Walls. Light-colored walls reflect the light and create an illusion of wide and broad spaces, while dirty or dark-colored walls absorb the light. Contrasting colors help warn of physical hazards and mark obstructions. Pillars, railings, and other safety equipment can thus be highlighted with the use of paint. A schedule should be prepared with the regulations and standards of using various colors in a workplace. C. Aisles and stairways. Corridors and aisles must be wide enough to accommodate the staff and vehicles comfortably without causing a crowd. इसको वापस बोलना पड़ेगा. Corridors and aisles must be wide enough to accommodate the staff and vehicles comfortably without causing a crowd or a rush. Aisle space allows for the movement of people, products, and materials. Warning signs and mirrors should be placed as they improve sight lines in blind corners. Arranging aisles systematically and conveniently so that it encourages people to use them instead of following shortcuts through hazardous places. Keeping aisles and stairways clear is very important. 3. Maintain light fixtures. Dirty light fixtures reduce the required light levels. It is important to clean the lights regularly, as clean light fixtures can improve lighting efficiency significantly. Number 4. Spill control. The best way to control spills is to prevent them. Regular cleaning and maintaining the machines and equipment is one way. The other way is to use drip pans and guards wherever there is a possibility of spillage. When spills occur, it is essential to clean them up immediately. To wipe away greasy, oily, and other liquid spills, absorbent materials are very useful. These used absorbents must be disposed of properly at the right place and safely. Number 5. Tools and equipment. Tools require suitable fixtures with marked location to provide proper arrangement both in the tool room and near the workplace. They should be kept at the designated place immediately after use, so the chances of being misplaced or lost are reduced. The person in charge should regularly inspect the cleanliness and repair of all tools. Number 6. Maintenance. A regular checking of the condition of building, its infrastructure, and equipment may be the most important aspect for the maintenance of an embroidery unit. Keeping these safe in an efficient working order and a good condition, it is also included in the maintenance work. This includes maintaining sanitary facilities and regular painting and cleaning of the walls. It is important to replace or fix broken or damaged items as early as possible. A good maintenance program includes inspection, the repair of tools, equipment, machines, and processes. Number 7. Waste disposal. Regular collection and sorting of waste contribute to good housekeeping practices. It makes easier to separate materials that can be recycled from those going to waste disposal. Putting scrap containers near the places where waste is produced encourages orderly waste disposal and makes collection easier. All waste collecting bins should be clearly labeled as recyclable glass, plastic, scrap metal. Number 8. Storage. Large and categorized storage areas for stock, wastage, and recyclable material is a structured and a progressive method of organizing production. Stored materials must be out of the way of frequently visited sites and exits, fire equipment, aisles, emergency showers, stairs, or first aid stations. All storage areas should be clearly marked. Flammable, combustible, toxic, and other hazardous materials should be stored in approved containers in designated area. Storage of materials should meet all requirements specified in the fire codes and the regulations of environmental and occupational health and safety agencies in the jurisdiction. Now, let's look at the benefits of a clean environment. Proper cleaning in an organization has a positive effect on the employees. Some of the benefits of keeping a clean environment in an organization are as follows. 1. Healthy employees may mean fewer sick days. 2. Cleanliness creates satisfaction. 3. It preserves assets over the long term. 4. It maintains a good image of the organization. That's all for this video lecture series, and hope you enjoyed the series on Hand Embroiderer textbook Class 9. Thank you.